I figured that I should take time and just show you the watch. Rather than trying to describe it, let's let you get a real good look at it. A little bit better light on here. So you can see that slight frosted finish on the marker tops. I've seen a few 62 MASs, early ones, that had that kind of finish, but I'm still unsure on what it is. But to me, it looks stock. The dial has never been messed with. I believe it's just a result of, you know, minor moisture intrusion over the years. It looks attractive. It looks nice. So this is a genuine replacement handset NOS from back in the day. The hand loom that was on here, the hands themselves were pretty scratched up and damaged. So I replaced those with newer ones. It's a replacement crystal, obviously. The case lines are still sharp. I mean, they're a little rounded, but that's just from wear. Like, the case has never actually been polished. It's just been worn. The circular brushing on the top is still there. Looks like grooves on a record. So this is an early dolphin case back, and those, it was just etched, and they tend to wear pretty smooth pretty quick. You can just make it out. There's right at the edge of the bright white right there. There's the dolphin. There it is, 6217-8000. There's the small crown, only produced for 2 months. The insert shows loss around the edge. It's not really noticeable because of the darkness of it. Well, at least I don't. I'm used to seeing it. This was a working watch. Rotating ring rotates smoothly. It's not too loose. It's not too stiff. This is my Vintalume. I loomed this to match an original insert that a rotating ring I had, and that was the color of the loom, and I matched it. I just think visually it looks better. I mean, there's just nothing there. The hole for the pip was there, and I filled that. The movement is fully serviced. It is the correct orange text, 6217. Here is the 6217 movement. Jumping along, doing 6217 stuff. The watch has been serviced a couple of times. There's at least 2 signatures in the back, not counting mine. Someone loved this watch and used it. So let's put this back on now. And as I stated in the ad, the watch comes on an original TROPIC. This is a genuine TROPIC, and amazingly, it's in great shape. It's in really, really nice shape. Beautiful Seiko buckle on it, just like how these were shown in some of the catalog shots that these had. Time setting works exactly as it should. It doesn't click or skip or anything, the one thing that these are prone to. Okay, right over at midnight. in. Let's go out one click. What's the date today? 22 today. There you go. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.